Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to return multiple values from a function in Python. So let's get started. So first let me go to a .py file and create a function. So it's going to be define space your function name. Let me name it as fun. This is going to be my function name, and inside the function I'll be having some values. So it's going to be, let value 1 be a number, and next value 2 is going to be a string. It's going to be str, some just a random string. So let's just return it. Okay, so it's going to be return v1 comma v2. So while you're returning, you have to return with a comma separated value. And now we are going to call this function. So just go to the next line, and this is going to get returned as a tuple. And when we are calling this particular function, we must have two variables. So this is going to be like this. So let me have it as c1 comma c2 equal to func. So we are going to call the function like this, and we are going to assign this to two variables because we are returning two values over here. v1 will be getting stored in c1 and v2 will be getting stored in c2. So this is the thing, and if I just now print c1 and I print c2, that's it. I'm saving it and running it now, and here you can see in the output I am getting 1 and str. And if I just reorder this one, so I'll just put here v2 and I'll put here v1. This time we need to get v2's value in c1 and v1's value in c2. So we need to get str and 1. So the order is going to be the different this time. So I will just run it. Here you can see str is first because whatever we are returning the first over here will be assigned to the first value over here also. And you can also like return a list, absolutely no problem over there. So something like this, and it's going to be v3. Just put here c3 and we clear this. It's going to be c3. That's it. I'll be getting the list around because I'm printing that. So this is basically how you return multiple values from a function in Python. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in Python, AI as well as CRUD operations. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.